This is the Flip just released by Nubia.
Second, we do it together.
This time I got one in ice crystal purple. Look, as soon as the light hits it, hey, it's sparkling like diamonds. Glow. Inside the back panel, you can see some small particles. And when your fingers touch it, right, it's the feeling of AG matte glass. Hey, it won't pick up fingerprints. The metal middle frame on the side. Everyone pay attention to this. It's also given a relatively rounded treatment. Of course, it's also matte, so it doesn't pick up fingerprints. The power button integrates a side fingerprint sensor and is also with red accents. How can I say? The unique characteristics of Nubia have been well preserved. Below the vertically placed camera on the back, there's a ring flash. What's particularly interesting is this 3-inch external screen made with luminous Q9 Plus material. But here, I want to keep you in suspense. We'll talk about it later. Let's go. First, open the phone. Firstly, it can stay suspended at various angles, and the damping isn't loose, right? Once open, you'll easily notice that its crease control is quite good. I initially wanted to compare it with others, but I found it unnecessary. Competitors? What does that mean? At this price point, I reckon it's only Nubia offering a small foldable screen. So use and cherish it, brothers. The inner screen size reaches 6.9 inches, but the entire device weighs less than 200 grams, along with a rounded middle frame. In terms of the grip feel, it really is a pretty light and comfortable product. After discussing its appearance, the first thing I want to share with everyone is its external screen experience. Let's open the settings and go directly into the external screen section. The small internal screen is medium-sized and definitely provides emotional value, right? First, they've created many cute pet wallpapers. Even as a guy, I find them very cute. There's also this virtual spokesperson, how should I say? I really like this early retirement wallpaper, but I personally suggest that Nubia checks who made this early retirement wallpaper. Meanwhile, this outer screen also supports an always-on display when you're in tent mode and lock the screen. Placing it on the table, doesn't it look like a small clock ornament? After unlocking and entering the home screen, the external screen has various applications available. But what I most want to play with is the AI pet that appears when you long press the power button.
I want to fart.
Then quickly find a suitable place to let it out. Don't hold it in.
Hey, buddy,
and
is this
hurt
how you open it?
yourself.
Who is the most handsome person in the
It
world?
seems you excel at this issue. Everyone has different perspectives, so the answers vary. But with your confidence, you must be the most handsome
Brothers,
in the world.
is this emotional intelligence high or what? I drank hula soup this morning. Can you guess where
Are
I'm
you
from?
Henan if you drink spicy soup? Henan's spicy soup is super famous.
How about it? Can you still guess where you're from? I want to go out and have fun today. Can you recommend some fun places nearby? I don't want to spend too much money. Plus, I'm planning to take my girlfriend. At this time, some friends might say, other phones also have AI assistants. So what's the difference? Brother, it's like having a little pet on your external screen talking to you. That feeling is of a cold machine. Can they be compared? Here's the highlight. This device is currently the only small foldable phone with a full-size embedded DeepSeek. Since we're talking about artificial intelligence, I'd like to share with you Nubia's innovative attempts in this area, besides the regular artificial intelligence elimination and creation functions. In addition, Nubia has introduced a new concept called AI Together. Moreover, Nubia believes that there are many excellent AI products in the Chinese market worth learning from. Therefore, they hope to integrate these excellent resources into their own phones, allowing users to enjoy a more diversified service experience. The ultimate goal is to achieve the optimal solution for resource integration. Regarding imaging, I really don't want to talk about parameters. I just want to let me tell you what others have, Nubia also has. You want to use the secondary screen to take photos? Of course, that's okay. You can use this outer screen to let your girlfriend preview. Totally okay. It's fun and interesting. I'll just put the other configurations up on the screen for everyone, so I won't elaborate further. In these 2 years, many companies have released a lot of foldable screens, and you've also seen many adorable products. But ultimately, where's the core competitiveness of this product? But in the end, still couldn't afford it. So, at the lowest point, we discover. Everyone, after seeing the price, you should all be able to accept Nubia's new small speaker single screen, right?